Now, that was the test. So, oh, yeah, draw your sword. You will show me what they open, though. No, they open, don't worry. Are you ready? Draw your sword. Draw your sword, you stretch it out like this. Romans 10 verse 10. Clap for them and encourage them. Say yourself. So we are going to have one more round. The last person of this. Draw your sword. Wait. Stand at the back. Time wait. Stand at the back. Draw your sword. Are you ready? Draw your. You are exchanging Bible. No, you are not playing now. You are not playing. Have you exchanged Bible permanently? Permanently. Draw your sword. Draw your sword. Simple Bible verse. John 3 verse 10. Clap for them now.
Jesus answered and said unto him, "Art thou a
Clap
master
for
of
him
Israel?"
now. Please, hope you know that to come and stand there is enough confidence. You're already a winner. You don't understood. So when I say someone should go, you clap for them. You don't understood. Because it isn't easy. Okay, just one more round, then we move to our next game. Draw your sword. John 3 verse 3. John 3 verse 3.